Falling Water, Pacifist Genocide, Song/Poem. One of your favorites, the author, presents Falling Water. A drop of air fell from the sky, landed on earth, beauty to die. As I walk along in a blue-filled world, I think to myself, is that falling water I hear, dripping and dropping from city to here, down in the underground, places to be, nothing like home, like the waterfall beat. The echo flower shines, dancing the woods along. The story should be told as the dreams of many have won, and the music holds up high as the beat carries low. And if I'm about to die, don't let my friends know. The duck flies away as the cooking is here to stay. The quiche that was left to pay, the responsibility no one made. And the falls are here tonight as I walk and await the flight. Tell my friends, tell everyone, I didn't go down for none. I stuck the fight together. My undying soul was alive, and as it faded away, I have one last thing to say. Is that